Here's how to quickly unfriend people in Roblox. First of all, launch your web browser or any of your devices and go to roblox.com or launch the application. Log into your account. After that, select the connect button to see your friends. And from this page, you can see your connections, your following, followers, and requests. Now go to the connections to see all of your friends and select the friend that you want to remove from Roblox or unfriend them. Then after, tap on the three dot, which is in the right hand side of the screen beside the chat option. And there you'll get the option of remove connection, which is between follow and inventory. Go ahead and tap on that. And to unfriend multiple people quickly, open several friend profile in separate tabs on your computer, and then unfriend each person individually in each tab. And after unfriending, refresh the page to confirm they are no longer your friend. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.